Let's get down to business with our Bilyo Weekly Rewind. A quick rundown on the hottest headlines this week. VP Sara Sweet 16, pinangalanan na. Vice President Sara Duterte has named her legal dream team of 16 lawyers led by Fortune Narvasa and Salazar for her Senate impeachment trial. Former COMELEC Commissioner Rowena Guanzon na itsapwera sa listahan. FPRRD out of ICC. The camp of former President Rodrigo Duterte has asked the ICC for interim release, saying he won't commit more crimes. Palace and lawmakers clap back. Napaamin daw sa kasalanan. Jaeger Tanco salarin sa Princess Fiona attacks kay VP Sara. OpenAI report says Jaeger Tanco's PR firm used ChatGPT to troll VP Sara with memes and fake comments online. The Vice President meanwhile leaves it to karma to catch up to Tanco. AI don't care, sabi ni Bato. Senator Bato de la Rosa drew mockery and criticism after reposting an AI-generated video supporting VP Sara. The incident sparked concerns from netizens on the dangers of AI. Duterte Youth DQ'd, deserve, sabi ng kabataan. COMELEC cancelled Duterte Youth's registration, which sparked the celebration of the Makabayan Bloc. Gabriela Parteles naghahanda na sa possible proclamation. Asylum bid ni Roque denied. Justice Secretary Boying Remulla says Harry Roque's asylum bid was rejected in the Netherlands. Roque says fake news as he attends the 100-day rally of Duterte supporters at The Hague. Speaking of which, 100 days in The Hague. It's been 100 days since former President Rodrigo Duterte was detained at the ICC. Lawmakers are either praying for his release or prepping popcorn for what's next for Tatay Digong. BSP rate cut looms. With inflation chilling below target, the BSP may cut rates by up to 50 basis points this year. But economists say to wait and see. And finally, missing sabungeros nakalibing na sa Taal. 4 years later, a whistleblower claims the missing Isabong victims were killed and buried beneath Taal Lake. Justice Secretary Boying Remulla says they are now looking into possibly over 100 victims. And that's this week's top stories. Be informed, be sharp with Bilyo Weekly Rewind.